Hi friends, today I am going to teach you about if condition. For if condition, we have to the syntax is if condition inside the bracket statements. If the condition is true, these statements will be executed. The statements may be of one line or more than one line. The number of lines is not considered, only inside brackets are considered. When the bracket is open and closed, inside the bracket all the statements will be executed up to the condition is true. For example, if I is greater than 10, we are giving the statement as printf statement. We are printing the high value here. So the output procedure will be, we are giving I value as 15. If 15 is greater than 10, the condition is true. So the printf statement, the I will be printed, the output will be 15. If you want to give any other uh, wording sentences inside the printf statement, we have to give inside the double quotation. What are the things we are giving inside the double quotation, that will be executed as it is, the output will be printed. For example, if we have given as the output these words inside the double quotation, the output will be 15 is the output. That's it.